In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Markdown checklists in Obsidian to build an interactive task management system right inside your notes. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by launching Obsidian on your device and opening the vault where you want your checklist to live. Once you're in, either select an existing note or create a fresh one for your tasks. Click inside the note editor and place your cursor exactly where you want the checklist to begin. To create your first task, type a dash, a space, an opening square bracket, a space, and a closing square bracket, and then another space. This is the Markdown syntax for an unchecked checkbox. Now type your task description right after it. Press Enter after that first task, and Obsidian will often continue the checklist format automatically on the next line. Keep adding tasks one per line and try to keep each one concise and actionable so your list stays clear and useful. To create subtasks, press the Tab key beneath any task, then add another checklist item. That indentation will nest it under the parent task, which is perfect for breaking down larger items. You can use even more indentation to organize complex projects into smaller, manageable steps. With your list created, switch to Reading View or Live Preview. You'll now see interactive checkboxes that you can actually click. To mark a task as complete, simply click the checkbox beside it, and you'll notice that checked tasks display differently, usually with strike-through formatting, so you can track your progress visually. If you need to return a task to an incomplete state, just click the completed checkbox again to uncheck it. Now think about how you'll apply these checklists. For daily task lists, add tasks for the current day and use the checkboxes to manage your priorities. In meeting notes, record action items as checklists and assign follow-up tasks right there. For project planning, break your projects into milestones and individual tasks and track their completion over time. You can organize everything further by using headings to create sections like To Do, In Progress, and Completed, grouping related to tasks together. Tags are also powerful here. Add tags to important tasks to improve filtering and searching later. Make it a habit to review your tasks regularly by opening the note and updating completed and pending items. And when a list is done, you can move those finished tasks to an archive note to keep your active notes focused on current work. You can now add Markdown checklists across your entire vault in daily notes, project plans, meeting notes, and dashboards, creating a simple and effective task management system directly within Obsidian. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.